Hi, I'm Darlene. I'm in charge of customer service at Spring Bank. And today we're in the Bronx with Akbar, our Chief Lending Officer, to meet with our clients, Nancy from the Business Outreach Center Network and Joe from the Bronx Business Incubator.
So we've seen it grow from 9 people to like 100. No,
He
like
grew
97.
it, not seen it grow.
Yes.
He grew it.
I did grow
It's
it.
a big difference.
Yeah.
What were some of the things that you saw from like new businesses?
Businesses with different expertise could work with each other and collaborate on projects.
And you've seen that as well?
Oh, yeah. I mean, I help facilitate it a lot of the time.
I'm Dimitri Giannoulias, along with some other people. I started Spring Bank in October of 2007. We opened our doors.
So hi.
Hi.
So people come to you and say, hey,
Yeah,
is
I
there
need
someone
this.
you could recommend?
Yeah.
My name is Geraldine Rodriguez, and I am the co-founder of the Knowledge House.
You saw an opportunity here to make a difference. What was it about this place that said, hey, we connect well?
You know, if it weren't for what was already going on here,
My name's Danielle Tully, and I run the legal program at Start Small, Think Big.
and the fact that 60 businesses were firmly entrenched and benefiting from having this space,
We serve entrepreneurs, low to moderate income entrepreneurs throughout the city.
and if it weren't for the fact that we had key partners like Spring Bank come on board and help us through the transition to take over a lease, this would never have happened.
Early on, it was really a bank to serve the needs of people in communities where there are no other banks, or where banks generally don't want to go.
Just the whole concept of a letter of credit was something that I hadn't even considered. Someone like myself could directly call your president and talk about this opportunity.
There's a tendency, if you're a bank, to want to project strength, and often that means, being a little intimidating.
That's a real difference between Spring Bank and one of the larger commercial banks.
The bigger banks, they know their key customers are not people that look like me. So they're not really catering to us.
It's a tricky task because you want to project financial strength where people feel comfortable keeping their funds with you. At the same time, you want to be welcoming and hospitable. And we've been learning since we've been open how to fine-tune that balance.
Our strength is our ability to understand who the borrower is, and it changes from each borrower. It's a case-by-case basis.
Spring Bank is, I think, really making inroads not just in the Bronx, but in other communities, like in Harlem, communities that are underserved and underbanked.
When we opened up, that was one of the bigger challenges that we faced, just getting the trust of the community. There's mistrust of banks, and it's justified.
We do a lot of collaboration.
The Knowledge House provides tech entrepreneurship training to young adults in the Bronx, 16 to 24.
We had tech mentors, mostly people from the Bronx, self-taught tech people,
Okay.
come in and mentor some of these younger people.
Miguel Sanchez, Mass Ideation.
Not only how to build things,
We're making a game right now with a bunch of kids.
but more instilling the idea of how to teach yourself.
The way I'm doing it is through the gaming at first because I want them to get interested in code.
My goal in that area is to kind of just put as many heads together as possible, because really, technology accelerates when you have a lot of people doing a lot of different things around each other.
There's going to be a whole pipeline coming into this incubator.
Discussing things like workforce development,
Last year alone, we served 900 individuals.
opportunities to work with people in the community.
People understand that we're all kind of in this together.
Let's help each other out.
Anyone can learn.
That's really important.
I believe in community banks. I mean, it's a commercial bank as well. It's just a much smaller scale.
It's really entrepreneurial at every level.
You find that the majority of small businesses get their first loans from community banks. I think it's an important part of the economy.
To get to this point and be from here, it's tough.
I hope to see this grow into like an entrepreneurship hub. I think it already is, but it can be so much more powerful.
These are entrepreneurs with dreams, and they're making it happen right here, so it's pretty exciting.
It's very gratifying, and it's fun to meet people and hear them talk passionately about something that they're working on, and to be able to be a part of it. So that's a great thing about being a banker.